Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with today's tutorial, and today we are going to learn how to draw the jersey of the football player Yamal. So starting with the center line, making one sleeping line at the top, two slanting lines on the sides. Now joining this again with a sleeping line. So this is for the collar of the t-shirt. Now making one slanting line on one side, another slanting line on the other side for the shoulder. One slanting line, another one, and a straight line, another line on the other side, and just joining the bottom part, and a slanting line here. And after that we are going to draw the sleeves. So making one slanting line, a smaller slanting line, and then joining these two. Now to make them equal, I am just making a sleeping line from these 2 points, making one slanting line this side and another longer slanting line from the top, and then joining these together. Now I am making the sleeping lines. One more. In this we will be writing the name of the player, and one more sleeping line, another one to write the number of the player. So this basic division gives us the space. Now we are going to write the number. So it's 19 number. So first we have drawn a standing line for 1, and now one oval for the 9 curve from the lower side and joining with a straight line. I am just doubling this part, sleeping line, again a curve just like the lower one, and inside the oval I am going to draw one more, a smaller one, and now just doubling the number 1 as well. So a sleeping line, a smaller slanting line, standing line, a sleeping line, standing. So that is how we are going to write number 1. Now I am done with the basic drawing with the pencil. After this I am starting the outlines on the pencil lines. So just look at the outlines carefully. We are already done with the drawing with the pencil, so we are just outlining on the pencil lines. Just adding one more curve here to give the detail in the t-shirt, the jersey. I hope you find this tutorial very easy, as all the step-by-step guidelines are shared with you. Just follow them and it will be very easy for you to make the whole drawing. We are just outlining on the pencil lines. Now giving few more details here for the folds, and now I am going to start writing the name. So if you are not confident enough to write the name with the marker, you can just first write the name with the pencil and outline it later with the pen. So that is completely up to you, up to your convenience. So just writing the name of the player. Now outlining the number 19 of the player. So be careful the lines that I am outlining for number line, as we do not have to outline all the pencil lines that we have made. So just be careful here. Now once I'm done with the outline, I'm going to erase the pencil lines, as those lines were only for our help and they are not part of our final drawing. So I'm just going to erase these lines. Starting with the coloring, here I am using the Staedtler Luna pencil. Colors, the products are all given in the video description. The link for all the products are there in the video description. You can just go and check them there and order for yourself. I hope you like the video. Please like and share the video with your friends so that all the football fans can learn how to draw the jerseys of their favorite players. And also like and subscribe to my channel for daily drawing videos, and turn on the bell icon to get the regular notifications. Also, you can share your drawings with us on our email ID, which is given in the description. I hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for regular notifications. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.